That's a little different. Last time I ordered one of these, the baffle was also powder coated black. I'm not complaining, it's still very nice. Just so we do have some ARP bolts to replace these Allen key bolts. I'm not sure what's in this box, though. I don't remember what else we ordered. Let's see what we got in the box. In the box, oh, it is the LC Engineering stock billet water pump pulley, the stock size. I think it's 7-inch, I'm not sure. Let's see, part number. Is that right there? Trash. What do we got in the bag? Let's see. The bag. We got PC valve. And another grommet. There's already one in the valve cover, so I don't know why they sent the second one. The LC billet valve cover cap. Let's see. Looks good. Pretty happy with it. I'm gonna get these ARP bolts installed and I shall be back. Okay. We got all these Allen bolts out. They're just a, what do we got? 5mm Allen key. And we did replace them with ARP 8mm 12-point. They fit perfectly. They look amazing. This thing is basically ready to go. I'm gonna throw the valve on there and then put it in with the rest of the parts. The intake manifold's almost done, so I'll have a video on that next. Until then, that's what we got. Have a good night, guys.